Hey everyone, Close with Carmella here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the account called Fiverr. So I'm currently studying to become a realtor at Humber College. I am almost complete, like literally 10% to go. And I've been dabbling a little bit in social media and kind of a little bit more since I am on the verge of getting my license to get my face out there. It can be a little overwhelming. I've been using platforms such as Canva, Font Art, and KineMaster to create videos. I've been teaching myself how to use those and navigate those. But Fiverr is one that I've always wanted to try out, that I've always heard about, because it is like a hub where people do this for a living, and they can help you out with like pretty much anything you want. So I'm going to show you what I did for my first purchase on Fiverr, and I'm also going to show you a quick screen recording tutorial of how to navigate the system. Okay, so first things first, you're going to want to go into the App Store and type in Fiverr. It should come up right away. I've already downloaded mine, so I'm just going to go straight to opening it. There's my profile. You're going to have to set this up with your email, of course. And then I'm just going to quickly just glance around here. This is some of your interests you can click on. I think I did real estate and web advertising. I think it just generalizes it for you. This is see manage orders. I have one there. There's another tab for managing requests. So see, these are some offers that I had on a request that I had. So if you want to post a request, just go into the description and say something like, I would like a logo for my real estate business, or something to that effect. And then from there, you're going to go choose a category. And then I just did digital marketing, a subcategory, social media advertising. Delivery time, I just put, let's say 14 days. And then you can put any price that you want. I'm just going to put $50. I'm of course not going to submit it because I've already done one. And then from there, you can see people, you can go to manage your requests and see how many people made an offer. So I literally, there's so much to choose from. You can click on any person's name. I literally had, I think it said 40 requests. So let's click on this guy's name. I like to go with the ones that have reviews, and you see that this particular person here does have some pretty good reviews. So you can glance through that and see which one that you like best. You can also go and change your currency. Obviously, we are in the Canadian dollar. I think it said US though, so I think I just changed that. And what else here? So this is the people that I have actually decided to work with. These are our chats, our chat history of everything that I wanted. We just explained things to each other. Crossed the T's, dotted the I's, and I'm trying to find what he made for me so I can show you. So I'm scrolling down here, and of course it says you can approve it and whatnot. So these are some of the mock logos that he made up for me. I liked that one. That was supposed to be a plug converted into a house. So I'm having that in review. He's going to redo that for me. I will use it for now just because it was kind of hard for him to do. And see, he gives you examples like with business cards and everything. And this is the little video that of course I put at the intro of this video that he made for me. And there's music in the background. I guess you can't hear it. But anyways, I told him that I had wanted something like this. And then I wanted my subtitle, which is Your Time Is Now. And then of course I wanted all my social media platforms to be visible on my intro outro video. So that is what he did for me. I am asking him to revise something for me, so the order is still pending. I have paid for it though, but you do have chances to revise your order, just so you know. He was really good. I liked what he did for me, and here's some other professional people that I might work with in the future. This one I think is a Chrome logo video. This one's really nice. You can always change up what you want. I mean, this first video is not what I'm going to have set in stone, but I just wanted to try it out just to see how it was. So maybe when I get more popular in the future, I do get more business, I can go with something a little bit more advanced like this. As you can see, he has a little bit more work and a little bit of a higher price. Same with this guy here as well. Just to give you an idea of some of the things that are offered on Fiverr. My order was it was around $70, and then I did a little revision, which was $40. So all in all, it was $100 total. Not bad. Not bad. There's people that were offering a lot lower, and I don't know. I mean, again, you can play around with it. You can look at the reviews. You can look at it at example videos. Everything is on here. Everything. You can even design a website on here, how to get more web traffic to social media. There's just so much things that you can do here on Fiverr. So I hope that helped you guys. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was my first Fiverr order, and I hope that I was able to help you to get familiarized with how to navigate the system so you could potentially use it one day yourself. Close with Carmella here. Thank you again. Bye.